In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn video custom thumbnail. To get started, go ahead and log into your LinkedIn account. Once you're in, navigate to the top of your homepage. Here, you'll notice an option to either start a post or a video icon. Click that video icon, which allows you to upload a video directly from your computer. Now, with your video selected, let's talk about adding a thumbnail, which is a great way to make your content stand out and ensure it captures attention. When you're on the screen to upload your video, look toward the bottom and you'll see an area labeled Video Thumbnail. Next to it, there's an option to Add Video Thumbnail, which is exactly where you get to enhance your video's first impression. Click on this area where it says Add Video Thumbnail. This is your opportunity to upload an image you'd like to use as your video's thumbnail. Choose a picture that you feel represents the content or spirit of your video. It should be engaging and relevant. For instance, you might pick a snapshot from your actual video or a related image that tells your viewers what to expect. Once you've selected your image, simply click Add. This selection will ensure that your thumbnail appears whenever your video is displayed across LinkedIn. Moving on, click Next. It's time to craft a description for your video. Keep it concise yet informative, tackling what the video is about and why viewers should watch it. This description will help provide context and intrigue for those who come across your video in their feed. After you have your description ready, the final step is to click Post. Now, if you'd like to personalize your thumbnail and make it truly your own, you've got a couple of creative tools to consider. You can use Adobe Photoshop if you're well versed with it and enjoy a wide array of editing options. Alternatively, Canva is a fantastic tool that's user-friendly and offers a variety of templates specifically designed for video thumbnails. With Canva, you can customize your thumbnail template by adding text, graphics, or brand colors to create a more polished and professional look. That wraps up the process of creating a LinkedIn video custom thumbnail. If you found this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips, and hit the bell icon to ensure you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy posting on LinkedIn.